You've probably heard about our legally endorsed and award-winning EnrollMatch Advanced Admissions Training Program, but did you know we now offer it live virtual or through our 35 on-demand modules? From the safety and convenience of your home or office, you can experience this award-winning training program, including understanding today's students, buying cycle changes, the power of the pause, Level 3 listening, communication tools to connect, the 4 key competencies for success, questioning elegance, managing obstacles to enrollment, best practices in showcasing your institution, the key to effective follow-up, elements of energy, earning referrals, and more. Imagine being equipped to advise and empower prospective students to find the best programmatic, educational, and organizational fit, and watch your performance climb. And now you can save on travel expenses by joining us in our next virtual 2-day workshop or enjoying the 35 on-demand modules to experience at your convenience. Either way, you'll receive the same great content, excellent facilitators, and a participant manual filled with even more information to help you be the best admissions professional you can be. Still not sure? Just check out the feedback from our last virtual workshop. So how do we get comments like empowering and life-changing? Well, we use a combination of live facilitator-led training, breakout sessions, e-learning with recorded videos and quizzes, workbook exercises, and more to make this workshop interactive and fun, even though it's conducted remotely. So join us for our next live virtual workshop coming up soon, or by emailing us at training@nortonnorris.com.